Hey, fourth graders, for your math workbook page today, it is page 133, page 133. It's called Rounding to the Nearest Thousand. So, reading the title, I'm going to make a prediction and assume that today I'm going to be rounding numbers to the nearest thousand. So first I'm going to explain and read the directions, and then if you want help with it, you can continue watching the video. Number 1, what is 6,780 rounded to the nearest thousand? Fill in the bubble to show. Okay, so the thousands place is right here. Pick one. Number 2, what is 5,438 rounded to the nearest thousand? Fill in the bubble to show. This is the thousands place. It is 4,991 kilometers from Vancouver, BC to Montreal. What is 4,991 rounded to the nearest thousand? So this is the number we are trying to round. Pick one. Number 4, people in Canada measure long distances in kilometers instead of miles. Tara and her family drove from Tucker to Dry Creek last weekend. About how many kilometers did they drive? Fill in the bubble to show the best estimate. Okay, so they drove, I'm going to read that one more time. People in Canada measure long distances in kilometers instead of miles. Tara and her family drove from Tucker to Dry Creek last weekend. About how many kilometers did they drive? Fill in the bubble to show the best estimate. So it looks like they went from here to here and then to here. So you have to add them together with an estimate. Okay, so you round them. All right, number 5. It is 1,164 kilometers from Vancouver to Edmonton. What is 1,164 rounded to the nearest thousand? Fill in the answer below. This is the thousands place. 1,164 kilometers rounded to the nearest thousand is, put your answer there. 6. It is 2,668 kilometers from Winnipeg to Kitimat. I don't honestly know if I'm pronouncing these cities right, so if I'm not, I'm sorry. I'm trying my best. What is 2,668 rounded to the nearest thousand? Fill in the answer below. 2,668 kilometers rounded to the nearest thousand is, here's the thousands place. Okay. If you need help with this and it's a little bit confusing and you want a quick mini lesson on rounding, continue watching the video. Otherwise, you are good to go and work on page 133. All right, here's a quick mini lesson on rounding numbers. So let's say your number is 6,780. And I want you to round it to the nearest thousand. So to do that, I'm first going to underline or make a dot underneath the thousands place. This is the ones place. This is the tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So I'm going to underline it, either make a dot or make a box around it. I always tell my students to make a box, and then you're going to look next door to the next place value. It's always to the right. It's the smaller place value. So the next place value is the hundreds. So in order to know if you're rounding up for the thousands place, which is right here, you have to look over to the hundreds place. So 6,780 is the number we're trying to round. Looking next door, it's a 7. If it's 5 or more, 5, let me just make this smaller. If it's 5 or more, you add 1 more to the place value. If it's 4 or less, the number stays the same. Okay, so that's important for you to know. So it's a 7. Is that 5 or more or 4 or less? Seven's 5 or more. So I'm going to add one more to the place value. So that means I have to add one more to 6. So one more to 6 is 7. And then I'm rounding, so everything behind it has to become zeros because I want to make it a friendly number. So 6,780 is closer to 7,000. Now I can make a visual for you to see. So 6,780, it's between 6,000 and it's also between 7,000, right? Now where would you put 6,780 on this open number line? Well, I'm going to do some marks for me. So this will probably be 6,500 because it's right in the middle, because 500 is right in between the thousands. Okay, so I see 6,780. Ooh, would it go more on this side or more on this side? It's 6,780. I think it goes over on this side. It probably goes around here. And you know what? When I look at this now, the number looks closer to 7,000. So that's why we rounded it to 7,000. It was closer to 7,000. Whereas look at this long distance that it has to go to get to 6,000. Okay, so whichever one it's closer to is how you round it. So that's how you round 6,780. Let's do the number 5,438. So the problem asks us to round this number to the nearest thousand. So the first thing I'm going to do is look at that place value. So I'm going to make an underline underneath it or a dot. Again, I like to make a box. So make a box, look next door. It's a 4. If it's a 4, do I add one more or does it stay the same and hit the floor? It's a 4. I'm going to look over here. It's 4 or less, so the number stays the same. So that means the number in my box stays the same. So it's 5,000 still, and everything behind it becomes a 0 for a friendly number. Now let's put it on the number line to help double check our answer. 5,438 is between 5,000 because we're measuring to the nearest thousand, so we're only going to use thousands. And it's between 6,000. I'm going to go ahead and put 5,550 right in the middle because that is the number in the middle. And I'm just going to add some commas because that's going to bug me. 5,438. Well, if this is 5,500, does the 4 go over here, 438, or over here? I think it goes right here. So let's take a look. Is it closer to 5,000 or is it closer to 6,000? Which one is it closer to? It's closer to 5,000, so that's how we got this number right here. Okay, so that's how you round numbers to the nearest thousands. Go ahead and work on page 133. Once you're finished, take a clear and great picture and submit it. If you have questions, reach out to your teacher. Bye.